Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and in this video I'll be talking about Anaconda. So here I am on my computer screen, and you can just download Anaconda by using their website, and you can just click the download and it will start downloading. And to install it, you just install, you do with any other software, just go with the flow, don't do any tick or untick to any option, just accept the defaults and install it. When you will be done installing it, what you will get is, let me just open the search box here. I'll just close it down first. So if you will be searching on your search bar, you will get these options. So the motive of this video is to make you understand about the environments and how you can export and create environments through the Anaconda for a project. So this is the main motive, right? And they have the GUI also, but we will work on the command line because that's the fastest and the easiest. And here I have the uh, command list, you can say shortcuts, right? So I will just link this in the description, you can just download it, right? And now let's see how we can create a new environment, right, with the Python. So I will just copy this command, so it will create a new environment for me. Conda create, and I will say Anaconda tutorial, right? And what I want in this environment is this numpy package for now, but I can uh, give any other package as I want, right? But for now numpy is good, and I'll just hit enter, right? So this is the command conda create -n for the new, then you give it a name and the packages, right? I'll just type y for accepting these, right? And it will start making the environment for me. It will take some time to download the all the packages, and it will create the environment for you, right? So this is the simple command to create a new environment. And to create environment with a different Python because sometimes you want to have you want to use a different Python interpreter like 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, whatever you want, right? Because the most latest one will be not very much stable with some packages of pip, right? So you can just create it by using this command. This is conda create, and then your this pytorch env is the package, the environment name, and then the Python version, and then you just do that for the uh, packages information, right? And this command, if you run it, you will just get the PyTorch setup on your machine, because that can be very hectic for uh, some operating systems, right? But Anaconda will take care of that. Okay, so now we see if we have, yeah, so it is download, and if we just want to activate it, I can just do that and it will activate that environment for me. So Anaconda tutorial is now activated, right? And if I just want to see the list of all environments, so I will just say exit, so Anaconda, and yep, so it will just give me back all the list. So these are the environments currently I have on my machine, and this is the one which we just created, right? And now let's see how it will be working with the VS Code. So I will go to my projects, YouTube, programming projects, and just we'll just see any of the project. Yeah, yep. Let's see big mart one, right? And if I just open it with the VS Code, right? So got all the files here, and if I just go to the app.py, this is the main application of my Flask, right? And now down here, if you follow my cursor, you can see the interpreter, right? So this one is the interpreter which I have installed on my machine, but all of these other interpreter are just like the environments just I showed you, right? So I can just create a dedicated environment for my project, and then I can just choose that. So I have already created that, and to run this I'll just go to terminal, new terminal, and then it will throw an error if you haven't set up the path, but that's totally fine. You don't have to worry about it. You just go to here, add and command prompt, and when it will go through the command prompt, it will just activate the environment, whatever environment you want to use. So I want to use big mart sales environment, so it is giving me that, right? Now I can just say python app.py, and it will just uh, uh, run or execute my project, right? So that was the VS Code thing. Now let's see if I want to export environment in a YAML or text file. So I can just say conda env and this one, and I'll just go to, yeah, here. So I want to now export this big mart sales environment, so that if I share this, so I share the all of these project with you, right? On my channel, all of them are available. So when I want to share that, I just include these, if I just yeah, so I just include conda requirements as YAML and text file both, and you can just install or create an environment using these files, right, and execute this project without worrying about any installation of packages manually, right? So it will take care all of you. uh, if we just see instruction to run the project, so here I have also mentioned just create Anaconda environment using the provided YAML file, which is this conda requirement YAML, this one, right? So you can create an environment with that. How you can create it? You just say conda env and create, and then the hyphen n and your name of the environment, then file and the file path, right? So this is how you can create, and this is how you can export the environment, right? So if I just give you a demo how I can export it, I will just say, yeah, demo export, yeah. So this will export my big mart sales environment and all of the packages information into a YAML file. Let me, yeah, so you get like this, where it is, yeah, demo export.yml, and you can see the name is big mart sales. So all of these files and information are just written below. So in this environment I have XGBoost installed, UBML, this is my custom Python package. I have installed it, and all of other scikit-learn, pillow, matplotlib, and all of this seaborn, right? So, and their versions are also mentioned there. So this is really important when you are freezing your project, so you can just deploy it on another machine. So that's really cool. And just you can create this on any machine using this little command here, right? With the text or YAML file, it's your choice. So that was it, I hope, for this video. And if you just stuck on any process or step, just let me know in the WhatsApp or mail, right? I'll try to help you out. And thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video.